So we're going to see what we can get out of 2 packs of 151 and a shining treasure. So let's see. Well, we can't just leave this 1 pack by itself, so I think we're going to have to open him first. Oh, Japanese ones open so much easier. So let's see what we got here. Ugh. Looks obscene. Hold on. I'll check him out and wah, wah. Okay. 151. My brother's favorite series. Let's see what we got here. That Geodude. Oops. That's a reverse. Starry. Reverse. Or no, it's shiny. Okay. And one more. 151. I don't know. Might have to edit that part out. Whoops. Okay. Oh. He's cool. Ooh. He's not so cool. I'm just kidding. And students are everywhere. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching.